There are tens of thousands of people who work very hard but don't get paid the wages that they're entitled to get paid. The workers in restaurants, construction places, those are the people who I represent. We don't charge the clients anything. We take the cases on contingency. That's why Citi played such an important role in our work. They advised me on what a business like mine needed to survive and have the funding to keep the business going through the hard first few years while I got my feet on the ground and started running. It's been almost a family relationship. I love competition, but I like competition to be fair. My clients learn that they have rights, even though they are people who can't pay for a lawyer, and so we feel great helping workers get what they're entitled to under the law.